Hello everyone, it's Sid from Hello Japan Tours, and welcome to episode 2 of our Crash Course Japan series. In episode 2, we will look at the top 5 must-buys at a Don Quijote. Don Quijote is basically a large chain discount store. They literally sell everything there. You can get groceries, food, beauty and cosmetics, electronics, kitchenware, clothing, training stuff, DIY stuff, toys, household goods, literally anything. And today I'll be bringing you guys into the store and showing you our top 5 must-buys. However, I do apologize because when I'm in the store, I was wearing a mask, so it might be hard to hear what I was saying. So I did add some subtitles to make it easier to understand me. And without further ado, let's look at our top 5 must-buys at Don Quijote. Okay, our very first must-buy are the beauty and cosmetic products. There's so many cool different beauty and cosmetic products at Don Quijote. I actually ended up choosing 2 of them, so let's take a look at the clip inside Don Quijote. Our very first must-buy are their face masks. We have a sake mask. It does have like olive oil. I'm gonna try the sake one because I personally have the lotion for this one. It feels really good on your skin. Whole nother wall of them right here. So they have a lot of skincare products. So if you're looking into getting skincare stuff, I would recommend seeing what kind of face mask that they have. And the next one is a hot eye mask. I'm gonna buy this and I'll explain it later when I have it at home. But it basically is blindfold, or I guess like a mask for your eye, but it heats up. Right, so I did end up buying both the sake mask and the hot eye mask. And I'm actually going to try it because the hot eye mask seems very, very useful. Lots of times I'm looking at a screen, or watching TV or Netflix or whatever, and my eyes get very tired and very dry. So I actually always wanted to try this one. This is what the packet looks like. It goes up to 40 degrees Celsius, so it's quite warm. This is what it looks like out of the package. So it becomes like a little, it's like a mask, like a face mask but for your eye. So it should work right when you open it. Now I'm going to put it around my eye and give it a try. It smells really good, by the way. I got the lavender scented one. Okay. Oh wow, it's starting to heat up already. It's getting quite warm. Oh wow, this feels really good. I think if you're someone who looks at a screen all day long, or you get dry eye very easily, very tired around your eyes especially, I think it's something that can really help you relax. Oh. Anyways, oh wow, that feels really good actually. But yeah, I wish you guys can feel this. Definitely try to find one of these at Don Quijote. Alright, our next item that I did end up purchasing was the sake mask. They say that sake is good for your skin. There was some study that they did where people that worked at a sake factory, the skin on their hands were a lot healthier than anywhere else on their body because they worked with the sake, with their hands in the sake factory. You might have old men working at sake factories who have these really smooth, nice hands. But let me open up the package. The one I got has 7 masks, face masks in it. Alright, now that it's on, I'm going to keep it on for a couple minutes and see how my skin feels afterwards. Alright, so it's been a couple minutes now. It's been about 5-10 minutes now. I'm going to start peeling it off and see how my skin feels. But wow. First off, it smells really good and your skin feels so alive. That feels really good. And it's not like too sticky, there's not too much lotion on it, so doesn't make your face feel all gooey afterwards. It actually feels really, really nice. So if you are looking for any beauty and cosmetic products, I do recommend both of these, but Don Quijote will almost always have these. Alright, so our next must-buy are their bath bombs. The bath bombs are usually right next to the beauty and cosmetics section. The one that I got today, I've never actually tried this, but it's called Tabi no Yado. I hear it's a really good one, so I do want to give it a try later. I'll put a video of what it looks like in the bath later tonight. But this packet has 13 inside. And yeah, let's take a look at all the other bath bombs that they have.
A wall of bath bombs. I really like these. A bath bomb for recovery and treatment. That's kind of cool. Chupa Chups bath powder. That's kind of cool. Strawberry cream soda. Never tried this before. This is for people who are tired. This is for skincare. This is for shoulder and hip pain, body pain in general. And these are Japanese hot spring bath bombs. You can get a feel like you're in a Japanese hot spring. Tabi no Yado. This one is pretty popular. It's 590 yen for a box. And I'm gonna actually try this one because I've never tried it, and I'll show you what it's like later. So I have a full bathtub, and then here the different types of the bath. Each one lists a different place in Japan. I'm going to use this one today, which apparently has the forest and flower scented one. So that seems pretty exciting. It looks like. Put it in. Alright, so this is what it looks like after a couple minutes. It really looks like a hot spring now. Just by the smell, I would highly recommend this. So yeah.
Okay, up next on our must-buy list are their Kitkats. Every Don Quijote will have a section of lots of different flavored Kitkats, and Japan is known to have very unique flavors of Kitkat. So make sure to check out the section, and let's take a look at what kind of Kitkats that they had at my local Don Quijote.
Kitkats are sold out, and there are a good amount of Kitkats. Some over here as well. Strawberry cheesecake flavor, sweet potato, passion fruit Kitkat. That's kind of new. Haven't seen that one before. Apple flavor Kitkat, adult strawberry, adult black chocolate, and adult green tea. Just means it's a little less sweet, geared more for adults. Salt lychee. Sounds pretty good actually.
Yeah, definitely go check out the Kitkat section at Don Quijote. You'll find lots of different interesting flavors. So let's take a look at our next must-buy. Our next items on our must-buy from Don Quijote list are their unique clothing. Now let's take a look at what kind of unique clothing they had at Don Quijote.
And here is their clothing section. But they'll usually have a cool, interesting clothing section area. Lots of anime related products. Haikyuu, if you watch the volleyball anime. Some more stuff. And always check out their socks section. Wow, look at that. One pair 398, 4 pairs 998. Beer, that's kind of cool. Garlic socks make your feet stinky. These finger socks, that's pretty awesome. I think that's adorable. Pokemon socks. They're pretty cheap and they're pretty cool.
Alright, last but not least, our last item are kitchenware items that you can find at Don Quijote. So let's take a look.
Up next is their kitchenware items. I'm going to show you a couple different cool ones because they have so many. I think this is worth mentioning, but this is a cabbage, I don't even know what to call it. A cabbage peeler, I guess, but it's really easy to use. I actually have one. And you can easily cut cabbages into thin slices like this for like a salad. It's 1,500 yen, but it has helped me so many times when I'm making salad. Next, I think this is kind of cool. One push soy sauce. So usually when you have these soy sauce containers, you put out too much, but no problem with this one. You just need to push once and control the amount of soy sauce that comes out. So this is pretty cool. Looking for a very cheap and small gift, you can always get them. You can always get chopsticks. Or if you're looking for bowls, you can get these miso soup bowls. Very cheap, 298 yen. And they look very shiny. They also have a teapot, very cool. Small gift, only 898 yen, so it's very cheap.
Alright, so I hope you enjoyed our top 5 must-buys at Don Quijote. Actually, I lied. We didn't have 5 items, we had multiple. And I'm lying again, but I have some more footage to show. Here is our honorable mentions and some interesting things that you can find at Don Quijote.
Some funny Japanese masks. Costumes. It's not even Halloween. Outdated party goods. 2019. Really? More funny costumes. That's awesome. Expensive brand stuff. That's self-explanatory. Interested friends. Poop odor tablets. It's supposed to smell like poop. Lots of snacks.
Alright, thank you for watching, you guys. If you guys have any places that you guys want us to go to or take a look at, please comment below and we'll make a must-buy items or list there. If you liked our video, please make sure to like and subscribe. We will be coming out with content on everything related to Japan to help your next trip here easier. And we will see you guys in episode 3 of our Crash Course Japan series.